while ago.
And you've made yourself right at home.
This is my office now.
You know, you're not Harry's first golden boy. And you sure as anything won't be the last.
If you've got a problem with me being here, it's Harry you should be speaking to. Unless there's anything else I can help you with.
Don't flatter yourself.
Well, if you change your mind, got a lovely single malt sitting there. I mean, you look like you could use a drink.
Don't presume to know anything about me either.
I know what it's like living with cancer. Not me, my partner. Ex-partner. It's not the same, but we're both on that whole roller coaster.
And Harry told you that?
Guess he knew I'd understand.
I'll have that whiskey now, if it's still on offer.
Have a seat. How's the treatment going?
Oh, you know, there's not a lot they can do at this stage.
Have you come across Sasha yet?
Sasha?
One of the nurses at the treatment centre. She's properly bonkers, bright purple hair.
Oh, yeah. Purple-haired nurse.
Always singing the Spice Girls to her patients.
And the dancing.
She must have developed her skills since Karen was there.
You know, you're nothing like I imagined.
What do you think I'd be like?
I don't know. Harry's boys are all cut from the same cloth. All thugs, the lot of them.
Yeah, well, I like to think that I'm a businessman first.
All work and no play. What's the fun in that?
I know how to have fun.
Oh, yeah? Prove it.
If this is a bad idea.
I might be Harry's woman, but I'm still my own person.
But we're just talking.
I'm done talking. What was that? Oh my God!
Get out of here.
Oh!
You okay?
I think so. Let's go.
There's someone here.
Alex, we have to go.
It's Harry. Harry! Harry, wake up! Dad, help me get him up.
Alex, there's no time. I'm hurt.
We can't just leave him here. Help me! We're okay. We're okay. Harry. Harry.
What just happened?
I don't know. But we're out and that's the main thing. Harry. 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 He needs an ambulance. Harry. We'll get him an ambulance.